To set time on your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button. Then press it again to go at the very bottom of this page and go into System. Then go down to Time, and from here you can select the time format if you wish, 24-hour mode, 12-hour mode, or military. Military, by the way, is the same thing as 24-hour mode, but there is no column between hours and minute. If you want to set time, you will want to come here onto Set Time, which is actually on auto because it is synced with my phone. If you don't want this, you can go onto Manual, and you can come to change the time just right here. Set time, choose the hours and choose the minute and select it, and you're done. Otherwise, you can do a time sync. If you are outside, it will give you the time of the location you are right now. You can use GPS or use phone. Actually, it didn't work with the phone, and I'm inside, so it won't work with GPS, but it worked pretty well with the GPS. Or just input the time if you know it. Otherwise, I personally keep it on auto because it's synced with the phone automatically. It works very well. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.